Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, welcome, and feel free to leave a comment on what you think you want to be seen on this channel. In today's video, I want to prepare yam and beans, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to prepare my yam and beans. This is my onion and crayfish already blended. This is my fish and it is optional. You can use only crayfish, okay? And my yam, I have already washed and cut it. And this is my beans already boiled to make things easier, and of course my salt to taste. And that's my oil going in right now, palm oil precisely. Okay, I left the oil to heat for about 30 seconds, and I go in with my onion. Okay, and after that I stir it. Please, if you have not subscribed and you find this channel interesting, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. And now I go in with my crayfish and I stir gently. And now beans. And of course I stir it again and again to make sure I cover the beans with the ingredients already added. I allowed this to steam for a minute before adding water into it. Okay, so after adding the water, I go in with my Maggi cube. Generally I call it Maggi. That's KNORR, and this is my pepper. Okay, just that small because this pepper can be pepperish. I don't know what kind of pepper is this. That's what we use here. Okay guys, after that I go in with my fish and I stir. Okay, so I cover it and allow it to boil for 5 minutes to make sure all the ingredients has got into the beans. So after that, I cover it up again and allow it to cook for about 3 more minutes. Wow, the food is really doing well. Okay, now I go in with my yam. Okay, making sure it's almost covered by the water. If you want your food to be thick, then you have to add less water. If you want it watery, then you add more water. It all depends on what you want. And then I cover it up again and allow it to cook. Here the food is almost ready because it has been cooking for about 7 minutes now. So the yam is almost ready. Then I stir it to make sure that it becomes a little bit thicker. As you can see, it looks as if the food is oily. Yes, that is how I like my yam and beans. If you don't like oil too much on your food, then you less oil, okay? This is just a guide for you preparing yours. And there you are. The food is ready.